If you are waiting for someone to come and change your life, stop waiting. If you are hoping that success, happiness, or confidence will magically appear, stop hoping. The truth is simple. No one but you can make it happen. Life is a do-it-yourself project. No one will wake you up early to chase your dreams. No one will push you to work harder when you feel lazy. No one will fight for your goals the way you should. If you want something, you must go after it yourself. Too often, people wait for the perfect time, the perfect opportunity, or someone to come and save them. But let me tell you, no one is coming, and that's not a bad thing. That's the best news you'll ever hear, because it means you are in control. It means that your success, your future, and your happiness are in your hands. Yes, life is tough. Yes, challenges will come. But guess what? You are tougher. You are capable. You have everything within you to build the life you want. So stop making excuses. Stop blaming others. Stop waiting. Take action. If you want to be stronger, train harder. If you want to be smarter, learn more. If you want success, work for it. The life you dream of is not given, it is built. One decision, one action, one step at a time. And the best part, you are the builder. So today, make a choice. Take responsibility, take control, take action. Because in the end, life is a do-it-yourself project and no one but you can make it happen.